Earning Financial Control, Honest Review, Watch Before Using. If you're considering using Earning, this honest review will help you decide. Watch before using. Links to the app and more details are included in the description below. Earnin is a financial tool designed to help you access a portion of your paycheck before your payday without the need for high-interest payday loans. The app is built for individuals who live paycheck to paycheck or need cash flow flexibility for unexpected expenses. Here's how it works. Earnin links to your bank account and tracks your earnings based on your work hours. Once your earnings are verified, you can withdraw up to $100 daily, with a maximum of $750 per pay period. The best part? Earnin doesn't charge interest or mandatory fees. Instead, it uses a tip-based model, allowing you to contribute a voluntary amount when you withdraw funds. Additional features include Balance Shield, which helps prevent overdrafts by notifying you and advancing funds automatically when your balance drops below a set limit. However, this app isn't for everyone. It's ideal for salaried employees or those with regular work schedules, but may not work as smoothly for freelancers or gig workers due to the earnings verification process. Also, while it's great for short-term cash flow, relying on Earnin regularly could signal deeper budgeting challenges that the app itself doesn't address. To sum it up, Earnin is a reliable, low-cost alternative to payday loans for covering urgent expenses, provided you use it responsibly. If you've ever felt trapped waiting for payday, this app might be worth trying, but remember to approach it as a tool, not a long-term solution. If this review helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support allows us to share more honest reviews like this, helping others make smarter financial decisions.